Today, let's look at the pattern finding problem. Here are 8 main ways to identify patterns. There are more than these 8, but these are the most common. First, let's look at the first type, incrementing. For example, we see 6, then 12, then 18. Each number is found by adding 6 to the previous one. So 24 plus 6 is 30. Next, the second pattern, subtraction. It follows a set rule. For example, 90 and 60, 3 here, the pattern subtracts 3 each time. Yes, it's a decreasing pattern. So 10 minus 3 is 7, which we can find. Now the third pattern is cumulative addition. With cumulative addition, the sum of the previous 2 terms equals the next. So 4 plus 7 equals the next term, 11. Adding 7 to 11 gives the next term 18. The fourth type of pattern is the alternating pattern. For alternating patterns, look at the sequence separately. For example, 14 and 16, this increases by 2, so it's every other term. For the alternating terms, this side also increases by 28, so 16 plus 28. The 5-line stuff remains unchanged. The fifth pattern is the opposite pair pattern. How do we identify it? We look at the terms in pairs, one pair at a time. So for example, 1 plus 2 equals 3, that's one pair. Then 7 plus 2 equals 9, that's another pair. Now what about 11 and which number? Again, we add 2, so it becomes 11 plus 2 equals 13. Yes, that's correct. Now the sixth pattern is multiples. So for example, 3, 6, 12, 24, we can see that each number is doubled. So 3 times 2 equals 6, 6 times 2 equals 12, 12 times 2 equals 24, and 24 times 2 equals 48. The seventh pattern is repeated multiplication. Repeated multiplication means multiplying the same 2 numbers together. It follows this pattern: 2 times 3, then 4 squared, 5 squared, and then 6 squared, which is 6 times 6 equals 36. The eighth pattern is splitting numbers like 52, 21, and 36. So if we look at these 4 numbers, we can't find any corresponding pattern from the 7 patterns above. So how do we solve this? We use the splitting method. For this type of question, if you can't find a method or any pattern, you can use the splitting method. So how do we split them? Let's take a look at how we do the splitting. Alright, so for 5 we split into 4 plus 1, then for 10 we split into 9 plus 1, for 21 we split into 20 plus 1, for 36 we split it into 35 plus 1. So naturally the next item must also be something plus